It's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Reinforcement or Detailing in Revit. Sorry I went offline for a very long period of time because of an unforeseen event. Sorry, I'm very sorry about that. But I'm back to continue with this course. Okay, we're able to establish some few things on our last videos. You can see we have our reinforcement on this beams, footing here, and this time around we're going to try as much to see how to create reinforcement on our floor slab. Okay, so first of all, let's start by creating our reinforcement. Let's go to level 2. I think this should be okay. Select this, delete it. I don't want it for now. And also select this one, delete it too. I do not want it. Okay, so let's see how it's going to be. Go to this, let me adjust the graphics. Okay, I have this should be my floor slab, this one. Yes, this one. Okay, you see, if you can see very clearly, I want some reinforcements to be on top of this guy, on top of this wall. Okay, sorry, I want a beam that flows here this way as in parallel, but an inbuilt beam on our floor. Okay, so there should be an inbuilt beam and then reinforcement for our slab. Good. Now first of all, let's go to our structures and system structures. You can see here it says area reinforcement. I can't select anything. At the first instance I thought my computer was wrong, my computer was spoiled, I can't really select anything, but I figured out how to select it. So you can see here, this is an architectural flow. We can select here to change it back to structural flow, and let's apply and okay. You see, now I have this option of saying I can put rebars, I can put area rebars. So if I say I want rebar, I will put rebar on everything, but I want an area rebar because I want some beams and then reinforcement for the floors. Okay, first let's go to area rebars, and it will tell you no structural area reinforcement symbols family was loaded. Say yes, you would like to load some. Go to generic, library, metric, and go back to still the same rebar shapes. Control A to select all and press on enter, and click on open. Wait for a moment. No, it is wrong. Control A and then hit open. Okay, I don't know, maybe I did not select anything the other time. Okay, so I want a beam, maybe let's say 2, starting from both end to this wall here and to the end of my slab, and then I would like 1 beam crossing all over to this place. Okay, so let's start with my beam first. All right, so select rectangular. From here just need something simple. I think this should be okay. And now hit on align, so press on this, align this guy, and let me just align this to this place. Okay, so I have this. Let me align this guy to this place also. Okay, I have this, and let's see. Okay, you can see I have something here. All right, so I can't really see it clearly, but let's go to wireframe. You can see I have something here. Well, let's go to 3D. If you look closely, here is my reinforcement, but I don't want it to be this way. I want it to be the way all of my columns are. So go to this place. You can change some of the few settings here. This top major is talking about this one, okay, and top minor top major is talking about top major, this one. This 1 2 3 is talking about one, two, three is talking about top major, and the long one is talking about the minor. So let's see. Top major, reverse this, and I want it to be at 90 degrees, and let's say okay. So you can see it curved out. This is the top major. For the top minor, I don't want it to curve out. Okay, so and let's see the bottom major, angle at 90. Perfect. You can see I have my beam. Okay, so let me create the other one, or let me just select it and then go back to my level 2 and say copy. I think it should be from this place all the way to this place. Now I have my columns. Good. Sorry, my beams. And now I would like to cross these beams over. Okay, so deselect this guy and now select, I want an area still. Okay, so I'm going to select these points. Oh, I just select rectangular. I would like to select these points and take it all the way to this place. Align to. I'd like to align this wall to my beam line. Okay, perfect. And now let's see, finish. I have something like this. Okay, let's see it in my 3D. Also select it, change the top major angle and the bottom major to bottom major angle, and then press on OK. Okay. This time around, this is the bottom minor. Sorry, this here, this one, press on none, and this one, the bottom minor, press on 90 degrees, and my beam is okay. You understand? So I have something like this. Go back to your flow, you will have something like this. Okay, so you can decide to put one beam just crossing by. You can decide to put two beams, anyone, it's possible, any of the process you want is okay by you. Now let's select it and then create the beams. Oopsie. I want this wall. I think you should stop here. I don't really know. Let's see the next person. Okay, I think I should have a very clean yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. Let me just leave it this way. Okay, now I'll finish it up. I have something like this also. Put it in my 3D. It's best I finish up this place. Edit boundary. Go back to level 2. I like to finish this big line. Oopsie, sorry. Control D. Just draw a line. That's it. And draw a line again here to display. And trim corner to extend. Trim corner to extend. And finish it up. And you are going to have something like this. Okay, see, you're going to have something like this. Now select it. Now change the manual measure to 90 degrees. Let's see, what did I change? So depending on the direction we're going to, the direction it's going, so this is going to be a bit very hard for us to really know which one we're talking about. So what we're going to do in order to save time is put everything to 90 degrees. That is going to save our energy of a lot of corrections. So you can see we have something like this. You can see we have something like this for reinforcements. This one should move a bit backwards. Okay, it should move a bit backwards to his position. Okay, so this one also should also move a bit backward, and maybe that's okay. Maybe that's okay. All right, I think we're done with this one, so let's try putting our area, which is the spaces here, needs to be reinforced even if it is a basket reinforcement. Go to 3D. Let me select. How do I select my flow? Good. Area. Nice. Go to back to level 2. So these places, just put a rectangle. Okay, just from here all the way to this place and then finish it up. You can see we have something like this. So what you're going to do is, if we have something like this, okay, if we have something like this, the top measure, we are going to remove, the top measure. Okay, remove the top entirely, and now the bottom, now put on 90 degrees hook onto them and put 90 degrees hook to it. You can see you have something like this as a basket, just for it to hold on to our cement, to our slurry, that's the name. Okay, so select the flow again. The flow is a bit hard to get. The flow is a bit hard to get. Okay, I think I found the flow. Area again. So I think if I'm going to use just the normal Rebar process I use all the time, it's going to take the entire time for us to figure out what we're going to do. But you can see this is the area method is a bit easier. It's not bad, it's not that bad. So finish it up and then uncheck, and now 90 degrees, and now again 90 degrees, and press and apply. That's all. So that's how we're going to continuously work on it. Another area again. Continuously, that's how we're going to work on the rest of the species again. So okay, you can see it's something like this. So if the moment we say we're going to cut, go to our flow, go to our second flow, let's say we're going to cut our building at this portion. Okay, I don't want that to go all the way there. Let's see somewhere here. This is somewhere here. Right click, go to view, and check this. Okay, and now change this back to this, let's say 50. Okay, you can see I have this for reinforcement, this for foundation, this for tying beams, and this for my, you can see, you can see this is my basket, and now these are my beams, inbuilt beams. Okay, you can see it very clearly. Okay, so this is how to get this done. You can see our beams. Our beams are perfectly sitting where it should be. Okay, I think we're going to stop here for this video. In the next class, we're going to see how to finish up our drawing, how to put some reinforcement to our walls, and then try to start rendering, creating a scene and try our rendering. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Let's see same time tomorrow for another interesting episode. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.